So guys, I took this buy trade on Crash 1000 index and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. You can see I'm moving in massive profits. More buys is still expected on this index in the coming days and hours, would say. These are our general TP level. We got our TP level on this green line, which has been smashed, but I had to leave some positions running so I could make a video on this trade. So how did I know this index is going to buy from this level? How did I see this wonderful buy opportunity on Crash 1000 index? You can see how well I'm moving in massive profit. This is a 15-minute time frame and we got multiple candlesticks at this point, meaning that this index has been buying for a very long time. So firstly, you guys know that whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities, whenever I bring up my trading device and open my trading charts, the first thing I do basically is to start from a higher time frame, is to go to a higher time frame chart on any index I choose to analyze or I choose to trade. So I opened the monthly time frame on this index and saw that we've been on a massive decline. This index has been selling for a very long time now, for months and years, would say. Right, this index bought at this point, it's bought at this price level, at this price zone, and when it got to this point it started selling and it's been selling since then till date. This index has been selling massively. This is on this price level. Okay, let's check when this index started selling, when this sale started, how many years ago it was. Since September 2020. This is about 3 years plus on this index selling to the downside. This index is declining in value. Right, so price got to this level, basically price got to this level and it reversed to the upside. We got this little reversal here, this little bullish move at this point, got this bullish move at this zone. Price now sold back to the downside, as I'm anticipating a reversal possibly on this index, because I think that this index is in an oversold zone. So I'm expecting this index to reverse, to show some bullish momentum, some bullish moves in the coming months. Possibly this month we just entered is likely to be a bullish month on Crash 1000 index. Looking at the day time frame structure, we can see that we got a lot of gaps to fill up, because we got a level here basically which price could potentially give the buy move in the coming days and weeks. This is the time frame chart, so there's a possibility of price doing what, buying from this level, giving the upside move for price to come test this zone. That's by the way. So let's go back to the monthly time frame. So in the monthly time frame, everything is looking nice. The market structure is looking bearish still, regardless of the short-term buys we got on a lower time frame. So I identified this market structure, marked out my levels on this zone, my key points. The first buys, this index resistance here, we got the buys to the upside. Price now sold massively, so I had to identify the point where we got the buy origin before the sells. I also got the sell origin identified, and here these buys, this reversal here spotted. So let's go to the weekly time frame to have a view on this index as well. So it's on the weekly time frame that we can see the clear market trend, the clear market structure. So we got this index move in a downtrend on the weekly time frame, creating lower highs and lower lows formation, which I spotted, which I identified. Right, so there was a break of trend here, there was a break of trend at this point. That's that point we saw on the monthly time frame that we got price reverse from. We actually got a break of trend at that zone and we got price give the buy move to the upside. So on price buying to the upside, still sold back to the downside. I always take note of zones and levels we got market react on previously, because there's a possibility of price coming back to that level to react on that level again. There's a high probability of price reacting on that level. Like we got this level here, got this level at this point, though we didn't get a perfect reaction, but we can see that price reacted on this level. Price bought on this level as a support, broke below resistance. So if price can actually buy to the upside, there's a possibility of price, even if it's not exactly on the test of this level, but price today what reacted on this level. Price gave this fake breakout and sold back to the downside. So on every level the market forms, there's a meaning behind those levels, and we have to take note of those levels. We shouldn't overlook those levels. Right, that's how I was able to get my entry basically on this trade I took. So on this weekly time frame, you can see that we got a zone, a level that we've got price react on multiple times. Price bought from as a support. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4 reactions on this level before the fifth approach of this level. So I was like, if price can react on this level 4 times, and whenever price reacts on this level, we get the rejection, we get price buy from it, there's a possibility of price doing the same thing, right? So I went to the time frame and identified this level clearly, spotted this zone I identified with this green line. You can see, let's spot market reactions on this level. Basically, we got price do what? We got price react on this level as a support. Firstly, support here. Let's spot it. Support here again. Support at this point. Price buying from that level. Support on this zone 4, 5 times. Market reactions. Market selling to this level and buying from it. So if price can react on this level this way, buy whenever it approaches this level. There's a possibility of price repeating the same thing here, because analysis is basically using past market move or past market reactions to predict future market move. So we can see that price actually got to this level and we're getting the buy move from it. So I went to a lower time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, which is the next lower time frame, and spotted market build up at this point, at this zone, right? These massive sales we got, I was like, price is likely to do what? Come fill up these sales we got, because it looks like a gap was created here. So I'm expecting price to come fill up this gap. I was expecting price to come fill up this gap basically, and we have a zone at this point as well, which I identified, right? So if you have to get more buys, I'm expecting price to get to this point long term for a swing trade, right? So the 1-hour time frame is looking good as well. So we can see that we got market reactions on this 1-hour time frame, the same thing that market did on the daily time frame, right? Market is repeating the same formation on this 1-hour time frame. We got first reaction here, right? When we extend this thing, sorry, let's leave it first. We got first reaction here, support at this zone again, market traction at that point, support here, the third time, because you can't just get into the trade on a higher time frame. You have to still go to lower time frame and walk in line and walk in hand with what we saw, the market formations and the market view we got on a higher time frame. We work with that market view. That's how you can get a good trade result and a good trade entry. So 4 reactions on this level, 4 market reactions on this level. The buys here, the buys here, the buys here. So it's like, if price can buy on this zone, right, when I move this thing to the downside, price can buy on that zone. There's a possibility of price doing the same thing. Just got a little crash here, which was why I got my major TP level at this point. We just got a little crash at that point. So if you can get price buy from here 4 times, 3 times basically, there's a possibility of price doing the same thing at this point. And we had a bullish order block at this zone, which I also identified. I was like, there's a possibility of price buying from this level. So I took my buys on the break and closed above that identified box on the 15-minute time frame. Already got this trade secured, though most cases crash 1000 index doesn't expect stop losses when it comes to the sell side of the market. Sorry, the buy side of the market doesn't respect stop losses, like moving your stop loss below or above your entries. So this zone, I got it identified and had my entry on the break and close above this order block box I spotted here. Break and close above this box, I got into my trade, and you can see how massive this trade is moving in good profit. More buys is still expected. I have about 6 positions on, so I would close like 2 or 3 and hold the remaining positions and see if price would give the massive expected swing buys on this index. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the buy trade on crash 1000 index by analyzing from a higher time frame, spotting my market formations, my market levels and zones, then going to a lower time frame for my entries. Right, so hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more.